a precious painting, a crafted sculpture, an exquisite piece of jewelry. Each a form of artistic expression, embodying beauty that stands the test of time. Welcome to Jewelry Trail with Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers, and today's episode is all about artistic and luxury jewelry. In the context of Indian historic art, the majestic sculptures and paintings of the Ajanta and Ellora caves not only continue to provide visual delight, but also serve as the inspiration for artistic jewelry even today. And their modern day interpretation can be found at Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers. Every era has been defined by distinctive style in jewelry. And just as the cycle of fashion returns like a swing of a pendulum, so do inspirations in jewelry. While the 18th century saw diamonds rule jewelry designs, in the 19th century, jewelry was inspired by historical and archaeological designs. In the 1950s in particular, the Art Deco movement took center stage, and Art Deco jewelry was characterized by dense concentration of gemstones and strong geometric lines. And while all jewelry is a form of art, artistic jewelry is an attempt to go beyond the interpretation of classic designs. And in modern times, artistic jewelry is transformed into exquisite luxury jewelry. Today we're going to discover designs by a company that constantly believes in reinventing themselves, Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers. Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers was established in 2009 by the Goel brothers, Ashok, Praveen and Pradeep, with a vision to create a new benchmark in the world of retail jewelry. With a successful showroom in Karol Bagh and a loyal fan following among the stars, it is clear that this brand has already established itself as a leading jeweler in the market. He is the face of Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers and is the man responsible for the constant innovation and groundbreaking designs. Meet Praveen Goel, who's forged a new path in the jewelry business.
In India, we have seen there is an old tradition of family jewelers. Being a first generation of jewelers, our company is doing well because we have broken that tradition by giving our customers attention and value.
Given their non-traditional background, we have to ask what led to the creation of Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers.
Basically, the shine of a diamond is always attracted me. That's why I wanted to get into this industry, where I could craft this diamond into a masterpiece. Gifting jewelry is always a symbol of building relationship. And that is what Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers is all about, building strong relationships.
And with his passion for design, it's only fitting that the brand crafts collections that cater to both sexes and to every occasion.
Bridal jewelry, daily wear jewelry, gift items, it suits each and every buying occasion. Whoever steps into Sri Raj Mahal should take something or the other.
Apart from creating some beautiful pieces, the brand also believes in lending their support to worthy causes. Case in point, their participation in Fashion for a Cause with NGO Lakshyam, which saw Delhi's leading designers and society names take to the ramp to show their commitment to child and women development. Some eye-catching pieces on the ramp. But now it's time to get up close and personal with the brand. So I'm about to visit the Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers showroom in Karol Bagh in Delhi to meet up with the man behind the brand, Mr. Praveen Goel. Hi Praveen.
Hi, how are you? Fine.
I'm so happy to be here in Delhi in Karol Bagh at Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers.
Thank you.
I really want to know, why the name Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers?
This is a very interesting story. I went to my Guruji for the name, suggesting a name. He gave me an option starting with the word S, R and M. I took all the three letters and made SRM. It stands for Sri Raj Mahal.
I want to know what is Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers ka USP?
The main thing is designing.
Each design is unique from the other.
Yeah.
And I can actually agree with that because यहाँ पे I can only see one piece prettier and more intricate than the other. But please tell me about that piece.
This one. It's a choker You see, we use fancy diamonds,
Right.
enamel work. This design is come from the traditional Indian ambi work. Ambi work, you can see on animal work on this. If you want to wear this,
How lovely.
yes, it's look nice.
How beautiful is this piece and so very special.
Yeah, speaking of special, we have a special guest downstairs.
Oh, come on, let's
Yeah,
go. I'm
please.
dying to see who
Yeah,
this person is. Hello, Pradeep. Hi, Noli. How are you? Absolutely fine. I'm absolutely engrossed in this kingdom of jewelry. You're more than fine, I can see. Yeah.
Now I'm going to leave you. Shivani ji will tell you more about our designing.
Perfect.
She's our oldest customer and my friend.
Great.
Okay.
Thank
She will tell
you.
you. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
So, Shivani, of course I know that, every time you're on stage or at a show, you're always accessorized. And now I see from where. So why don't you show me your top picks?
Come, let's start from the heavy duty set.
Great. Perfect. Oh, wow. Look at
Aren't these all stunners?
Look at that one with the emeralds, and I'm guessing
Really
all diamonds.
exquisite. I think each one of them has a different story to tell, which is what is so lovely about this place.
But if I was to ask you to pick one, which I know is really difficult, which one would it be?
That one. It's
Go
a
on.
complete stunner. Voila! How do I look?
These are actually yellow diamonds.
Yes, absolutely.
Oh my gosh. And this rose motif is so unique as well.
And it's a choker, and you know what? It's going to go with everything. Be it a sari, lehenga, a dress like this, a gown.
Completely. Yeah, look at it.
It's
It
just-
looks just perfect with
It
something.
just completes the whole look.
And I've very conveniently worn the bracelet. But
Oh,
look
it
at
is
that.
beautiful. My gosh, just look at that.
And now let's move on to my favorite part of jewelry, which is of course rings.
So this, Noheed, is the Nature's Collection.
Which is your favorite ring out of this nature collection? Which one would you say?
That butterfly ring there. Oh,
I can see why.
Oh, yes.
I think you should definitely wear it.
May I?
Yes, of course. Permission's given.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's just, look at it. Look at the, just look at the size of the pearl.
And exactly this pearl.
And the color.
These are all diamonds in there.
Yeah.
And there's rubies as well. Even though Shibani and I have tried on so many beautiful pieces in the store, there's still one more stunner we have to get our hands on. Look at all these sets.
I know, they're all gorgeous.
But
This is the one.
See how pretty that is.
Oh, it really makes me feel like a Maharani.
They have diamond baguettes, and then they have the South Sea pearl, and then again they have the ruby baguettes. It's so intricately placed, but so lovely. It all comes together fantastically.
Yeah, it is.
But I want to know, what would you team it up with? Would you wear it with a sari?
Yeah, no, I would actually, I rarely wear saris, but I would wear a sari just for this necklace.
Thank you so much. And thank you, Shibani. What a blast I had today.
So did I, Nohi. Thank you. Thank you.
There can never be too much of a good thing. That's why when we return on Jewelry Trail with Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers, we will indulge in some more luxury and artistic jewelry. Coming up, celebrities reveal their love for artistic and luxury jewelry.
It's a mix of art and the current fashion, so that is really intriguing.
Hello and welcome back. I'm at the Kingdom of Dreams and we are exploring the kingdom of exquisite luxurious jewelry with Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers. So what makes these one-of-a-kind pieces so special?
Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers jewelry is really unique, and I saw one of the sets in one of my friend's wedding or about function, and I was like, where is this set from? Ye kahan se hai? And then she told me it's from Delhi, this Raj Mahal Jewellers, and then when I visited Delhi, I visited their store, and I think they have very nice unique pieces, which, you know, we always want unique. You don't want to see a same piece on somebody else, you see. So this is what their specialty is, yeah. They have this nice, unique pieces which are artistic, and yes, their fashion line is damn nice. It's a mix of art and the current fashion, so that is really intriguing. See, this is the ring I got from Raj Mahal Jewellers, and this earring, and this the set out altogether. It's really nice. I can wear it on Indian as well as Western. Just wear a nice gown and just put this on, and you're sorted. And they have this nice small diamonds crafted. Plus there is this beautiful flower happening. You know, we girls love this beautiful artistic jewelry, and they're just perfect in that.
We're very proud to be partners with Raj Mahal Jewellers. You know, and there are two things which are intrinsic to this partnership. One is the common passion that Raj Mahal Jewellers and De Beers has for diamonds. And that common passion of diamonds is something that we believe we have as partners. And the second, other more important and integral part is the integrity that Raj Mahal Jewellers brings on the table in the diamond business, and that's very important in our business. And we respect that, and that's the main reason why we partner with Raj Mahal Jewellers. As Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers, we believe they're master craftsmen and they have great skills of creativity. And we want to celebrate that. And we are in the process of developing certain unique collections. We are in the process of developing certain red carpet collections as well. That's going to adorn some beautiful women across the world.
And it's not only the women who are crazy about their jewelry, they have takers from men too. And the collection of men can add that dash of bling to any wardrobe.
I think it is important for me to spell it out clearly that when it comes to fashion and fashion jewelry, Parveen Sri Raj Mahal's outfit of fashion jewelry beats other players by lengths, because they have a kind of a take on the traditional jewelry, which is unique.
I love some watches there, and they have a very, very nice collection of watches which have been very nicely designed. And they have subtle jewelry, certain diamonds on them. I also like the collection of Punjabi karas that they have. They're really nice.
And to take the level of jewelry just a notch higher is the concept of bejeweled accessories. Walk into Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers and you can dress up your phones, your watches, your pens and even your bags with diamonds.
Recently, I came across a fascinating object which was fashioned by them. It was a unique state-of-the-art phone, just studded with unique diamonds. I have never seen something like that. And when I cast my eyes on that, I felt it's time to use in one of our movies, which is a movie which kind of is placed in the upper strata of society, and to have jewelry from them, because they would be able to provide the kind of objects that will make the consumer say, ah, we wish we had that.
The stars have shown us their top picks in fashion jewelry, but here are some tips to keep in mind when choosing to wear your artistic jewelry. Artistic jewelry is not only restricted to diamonds and colored stones. You can choose statement pieces made of gold for an ethnic touch. When wearing your luxury jewelry, keep the rest of your outfit simple. Stick to solid colors and avoid distracting prints so that your jewelry can shine. Opt for artistic jewelry that incorporates animal and floral motifs to stand out from the crowd.
The luxury quotient rises even higher with these sparkly additions. We'll be back after a short break, so don't go anywhere.
Coming up, learn how to don artistic jewelry for every occasion.
Hello and welcome back to Jewelry Trail with Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers, where the mantra for the day is artistic and luxury jewelry. Luxury by itself implies something rare, and when you're donning your luxury jewelry, make sure you have your outfits to match. Here are some inspirations.
This is a limited edition piece, beautifully crafted with large uncut and colored diamonds.
Crafted using large open polki diamonds, this Indo-Western design is a great conversation starter and sure to glam up a cocktail dress.
This piece is one of my favorite designs. The beauty of this piece lies in its simplicity.
With over 140 carats used in the entire design, these statement pieces are sure to make you the center of attention.
This is a classic and timeless combination of black and white diamonds, something that is always in fashion.
Featuring a 25-carat black diamond pendant, this unique design is best worn with a crimson gown for maximum impact.
Unleash imagination when wearing luxury and artistic jewelry and let your style make the statement. We'll see you next week on yet another episode of Jewelry Trail. Until then, goodbye.
This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV Good Time.